Rocco is very hungry. He wants food. In this video, you learn new words about foods and numbers. Slow and clear. Stay with Rocco to the end of the story. Turn on the CC for other languages. Rocco sits at the table. He is tired. His stomach hurts. He needs food. A picture falls. The noise is loud. Rocco goes to the telephone. He calls a restaurant. He shouts in the telephone. The sound is loud. Rocco finishes the call. He waits for his food. What comes next? Watch and see. A man is at the door. He is happy. The man has a very small box. Rocco opens the box. He sees one small tomato. Rocco is sad. He opens the door again. The man has 3 big bottles of water. Rocco takes the bottles. They are very big. Rocco is angry. The man returns. The man has 10 small yellow cheeses. Rocco holds the cheese. He is not happy. Rocco sits at his table. He has bad food. He stands up. He has a new idea. Rocco walks outside. The street is cold. He sees a sign. The sign says pizza. Can he find the pizza? Watch and see. Rocco looks at a small paper map. The map is bad. He does not understand. He points left. Then he looks right. Rocco sees a very big orange cat. Rocco puts his hands up. He is afraid. The cat leaves. Rocco is very tired. Rocco stands in a dark place. He is lost. He looks at a red light. Then it stops. He touches the cold stone. He closes his eyes. Rocco finds the restaurant. He looks in the window. The happy man is in the restaurant. Rocco smiles. He is very happy. Is the door open? Watch what happens next. Rocco pulls the door. The door is closed. He pushes his face on the glass. He is sad. He wants his pizza. The happy man sees Rocco. The man has many old keys. The man opens the door. It is hard. Rocco sits at a table. He sees a pizza. The pizza is very big. He looks at it. Rocco eats the pizza. It is very good. Wait, before you go, some words from today, just for you. Telephone, telephone. Tomato, tomato. Water, water. Cheese, cheese. Map, map. Door, door. Chair, chair. Table, table. Box, box. Pizza, pizza. You listened. You learned. More stories every week. This is More Lingua, English. See you soon.